I want to say a great big thank you to Mattress Mac Gallery Furniture, bringing out 120 of our combat vets from Camp Hope, PTSD Foundation of America. They're all in the suite, eating a lot of really good food, enjoying some great football, and it's a great time for them just to get out of Camp Hope and get to experience doing something outside of our campus. So,
thanks, Mattress Mac. The seats are amazing. Love you.
Thank you, Mattress Mac. This is awesome. Thank you.
Hey, thanks a lot, Jim. Everything you do for Camp Hope is amazing, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Mattress Mac, all the way from Hondo, Texas. Thank you, Mattress Mac.
Thank you, Mattress Mac. Mikey from New Hampshire, from Camp Hope.